What is up everyone, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel, and as you can see we are using Android 11's notification bar on our Redmi Note 8, and I am using Xiaomi U Custom ROM, which is not actually based on Android 11. And if you swipe down, as you can see, I am using this normal control center, but when I swipe down from here and this, I am using Android 11's notification bar, which looks damn cool. You can see your music tile here, which you can just only get in Android 11. If you have not watched my review yet, you can go and check out my review on Android 11 beta 3 and how you can do that on your any Android device without root. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get. So guys, if you have here the name of this Android app, which is PowerShade APK, you already know what this app can do. This app just replace your default notification drawer with the official, with some custom one which you can change the layout and a lot more things. And now in this update you get the Android 11 notification shade, which you can simply customize. Just download this APK file. I'll provide you the link in the description. Click on install. If you want to use the free version, you'll get from Google Play Store easily or somewhere else, and if you want the full version, the premium version, you can join my Telegram channel for these kind of updates. You'll get there easily. And now just open this app after installing, and after installing you'll get to see this kind of UI available here, and as you can see it's not running. Click here, you will get to use two things: accessibility and notifications. You just need to provide these two permissions. Open accessibility, download services, PowerShade, click on OK, click on allow, and it's done. Now the second thing which we need to do is notifications, so that it will get the notification access on your device. This thing will work on any Android device running any Android version for now, so don't worry about that. If it's showing you like this, keep in memory, open recents, or just ignore this if you want to. If you are using Xiaomi device, then you have to lock that in the recents app, or also you can choose the auto start option so that the app does not turn off. Click on don't show again, and now if we swipe down you can see this kind of UI here. This is just perfectly fine here and no issues at all. This was my backup which is just restored. So when you go to layout, you have the option to choose the tiles grid to 2x3 or 3x3 or whatever else. So I have chosen the 2x3 because it's available in the Android 11's beta. You already got to know about that Android 11 beta. So this is how the main highlight and main good looking thing, the music tile, which looks damn cool. You can also adjust these kind of things, which is also available in Android 11 phone speaker. But in Android 11 beta 3 you get some advanced features also. Obviously it's not Android 11, so you have to compromise with these kind of features, but it's still worthy if you want to install that. You can also choose the header tiles to 3, 4 or whatever header tiles you need. So if you choose the 5 option, and then you will see these kind of option here 5, which you can adjust also. There are a lot of things to adjust. Whatever thing you want to choose, you can choose that. I'm going to adjust the tile size, always show footer row, so that whenever you just mini swipe, as you can see, you still have the footer row available here. And also you can simply choose the network speed meter here and some other things like these kind of things you can adjust. A lot of things are available to customize. You should try out this thing for sure. We have the data usage option, head trigger, edge triggers, data usage, heads up, and a lot more things. If you choose the extras option, here you have the force screen brightness option available too, which looks damn cool, and all other things are just fine. Almost same things which you can customize. This is very good looking. You should try out this thing for sure in my opinion. So if you like it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and the channel. This was all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.